say boom, boom, boom. Not everybody say well.
Baby, tell them where we're going.
Taco Bell.
We're going to Taco Bell.
That looks so good. I'm so happy.
I guess I'm a white girl now too,
Yes,
because
you
I've been getting
are.
Starbucks a lot lately, not gonna lie.
Now I have to be at work. Oh my god, they spelled my name right. One time they put Princess Aurora.
He said the ingredients. Nice. So good she had to dump it on herself. Yo, what is up, guys? Happy New Year. JULIAN.XR back with another video. It's the start of a new year, guys. 2021. Finally out of 2020. Which was a mess. I'm starting 2021 off positive by starting my YouTube channel up again, guys. I'm gonna try to make it big. See what happens within the next like 5 years or so. See what I can accomplish by like 2025 maybe. I realize that a small percentage of my viewers actually subscribe, so please subscribe. It's free. You can always unsubscribe if you want to.
Sub. FBI drone?
Oh no, definitely not an FBI drone.
Oh.
It should be KM18 color, something like that.
Waiting for Perry.
FBI
Oh, there.
We're about to hit a solid fucking leg day. Go for a heavy single.
We about to hit some squats and then some leg press. Wait, what did I say? Some squats? Go stupid! Ah! My bad, I'm not off the pre yet, so.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's the next day. Now I'm about to start school, which sucks. But guys, this grind 2021 is gonna be insane. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so that you guys get notified every time I upload a video. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Yo guys, I've been here doing schoolwork for the past like 3 hours. How is this gonna benefit me if I want to be an engineer in the future? Learning about medieval some kind of tales. I ain't talking about tales, bro. This is real life, not a story, bro. Real life. Guys, yesterday I hit a 315 by 10 squat and a 405 by 3 squat, which is insane. I was not expecting me to hit that, and since I was able to do that, I thought to myself like, yo, I could probably pull off a 500-pound squat. The fact that I was able to pull off a 405 by 3 squat, and it was clean too. These were clean reps. Like, that's just crazy, guys. So when I do hit this 500-pound squat, I'm definitely going to make it a big part of a video in the future. The workout I actually recorded though was the workout from 2 days ago. It was a solid push day. I got 225 for 10 reps and then 275 for a single. At least I kind of know where I am for bench. But to me, really, squatting's more important anyway. Like I said, not even 1% of my viewers are actually subscribed, which is insane to me. So please like and subscribe this video, guys. All right, so where are we going?
Duncan.
Yes.
Yes.
Please. I'm so excited. I want to go back in the trunk, but it's not warm.
No,
anymore.
it's too.
What? Do it.
No,
Yeah,
I
get
don't.
the blanket.
that's
Get
good.
the blanket.
That's good video.
Get the.
It's
You want me to
too
get a
cold.
blanket?
No, because
That's
then
a
we're
good
gonna
video.
have to drive
Do
through.
it.
No. No, we're gonna go in town where all the cops are.
Lottie wouldn't get in trouble because she's a minor, but you're an adult now.
That would be such a good video if we like somebody rode in the back. We just kept hitting like speed humps.
Oh, hell
at, like, full
no.
speed.
I'll do it.
I'll
do
I'll get in the back.
Right now?
Yes.
No, I'd rather do it
No,
at
right
night.
now.
Fuck
Alright.
that.
We could have
Yeah.
a camera in the back with one of us holding it for a different point of view. So be like, ah, like screaming or something. I'm getting my teeth filled in.
You are?
You're
Yeah.
getting your teeth filled in?
When I was little, I had cavities and they kept filling it in over and over again. And now it's that time of year to get it filled in because, like, when I eat, it gets stuck super
I don't even know
down
why.
there.
Somebody's gonna go flying today.
You're like a boom boom.
I like pink and purple and blue.
Blue's my favorite color.
Yeah, because you're fucking basic.
You like blue too.
No, I don't.
You
Fine,
just
fine.
said
No,
you
I
like
didn't.
pink,
Fine,
purple,
fine.
and
We
blue.
play the clip. And blue. If I said blue.
And blue.
I
You said blue.
And blue.
Well, you're basic. You like pink.
Orange is such an ugly color. People are gonna bash me in the comments. They're like, orange is not ugly.
Coffee. I don't know about you. Tell anyone, but I left my computer at tech school by accident. You left your computer at the tech school?
Hello?
Welcome to Dunkin'. How can I help you?
Hi.
Can I have 2 sausage, egg, and cheese wake-up wraps, please? A small iced caramel coffee with extra caramel. No sugar, just 3 creams.
Alright, and then the second order, can I get the same coffee? And then I'll do a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant.
And bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant?
Yeah, that's it.
That's
So embarrassing. She's very stupid.
Is it better not mixed?
Because then you can get... Guys, I'm telling you, the iced caramel coffee with extra caramel and 3 creams, no sugar, is...
If you guys try it and you like it, please subscribe. Get the Coke and Mentos. The cock.
The coca.
Alright, so we're gonna get some cocks.
Creme.
Oh, they're so tiny.
Alright, we're gonna find an aisle with a bunch of people so I get a good reaction this time. Nobody gave a fuck last time.
Oh, fuck.
You're a fucking idiot. We're gonna start with the mini ones. We're gonna do the Coke bottle rocket.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, that didn't. Oh.
There goes the hoodie.
Burst.
Why does it not explode? Oh! Holy shit!
Let's go! Finally! That was crazy, guys.
That was really good.
That was incredible. Make sure you hit that like.
Radical.
We're doing 4, guys.
Oh my goodness.
4. We did 3 last time.
Quattro.
100 feet in the air.
Hopefully it hits the bottle cap. Yes! Oh, it didn't go that high. Oh, dang it! And blue.